Come test drive the 2023 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, moonroof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, stability control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.